Good morning, everyone. Just a quick overview of the course Canvas page. At the top of the page, we have recent announcements. I'll make an effort to ensure that there are regular announcements, and you will find those here. And they are in order of most recent announcements. Towards the bottom, you will see quick links. I provided for you a Zoom link to the laboratory meetings, which take place Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. to 12:50 p.m. as we agreed to meet in lab synchronously Monday to Thursday from 10 a.m. to 12:50 p.m. Down here you see there's a link to the Zoom office hours, which are also Monday to Thursday, however 1 to 2 p.m. Below that you'll see that there's instructor information and ways to contact me. I think the best way to do it is to use the inbox on the Canvas page to contact me. Here's the course syllabus and the Getting Started module. Okay, it's important you understand that to progress through the course, you will do so via the modules. Okay, so this is the Getting Started overview module. I will go out here to the modules link. And here, the modules are organized sequentially. That is, as you progress, you will need to first complete the first section and progress downward through the module, in this case, module 0. You will not have access to module 1 until you've completed module 0. I'd like to show you how the chapters are organized. First, we'll see that there's laboratory material. And I did this initially because we wanted to take care of the laboratory safety first. In lecture material, we see that every chapter is comprised of chapter lecture notes, a discussion, chapter homework, and a chapter quiz. I will be posting recordings of lecture notes for each chapter. And you will find them within this region here, along with the chapter lecture notes. In the meantime, please take a look at this content, as it is a good introduction to the chapter, which will then enable you to begin working on the homework. Okay, and I think that is it for now. And I will see you in lab soon.